Hello guys, me and my wife came here in Lonavala to celebrate our first anniversary. This is the Duke's Retreat Resort in Lonavala where you can get spectacular views from your room of a deep valley and express highway. This resort is located at Old Mumbai Pune Highway NH48 in Khandala region, and it is located 2 minutes distance from very famous Monkey Hill. Now we have arrived at the entrance gate of the Duke's Retreat Resort and we are getting in, and you have to go uphill here. And this is the entry, which is so mighty and nice architecture guys. The sloping roofline make it very traditional Asian. There is a big parking space here for all vehicles, big and small, so there is no problem whatsoever. So first we go check in, settle down in our room, and then we're gonna show you entire resort. We just checked in and going towards our room. This is our room layout, very well designed and luxurious. Big bed, but the highlight here undoubtedly this view. This is entrance of our room. Lot of luggage space, and the European style bath area is here, separated by glass and curtains. I'll show you the view later, but entire room looks pleasant and so nice. Nice Spanish interior, lot of refreshment items given, king size bed. All essentials are available including 4-star kitchen, AC, refrigerator, coffee making machine, study table, and basically perfect blend of executive and luxury. And my wife is enjoying a dark coffee. Besides, look at this view guys. It is so special to get a deep valley view from bed. And now it is time to show you the resort. This is 2-story building, but it is based on height already, so nice to take a charge of any room. One of many Buddha statues here. The Duchess Hall is place for breakfast. The Duchess in English means the Duke's wife. So that thing makes it a very well themed resort. This is upper deck of resort where a nice swimming pool and also open sky panorama hall also there. Best place for morning breakfast. This is highway and valley view from top, and entire resort looks so cool and absolutely one off. It is a good library here, and besides that, nice playground area for children, so it is a good blended space for young and old. Quite nice. And again, the main gate and reception area is quite well structured, and it makes it a worth staying place. Good thing here is that you can order food online. In afternoon, a big rainfall happens and turned this room out of our imagination. It was unforgettable experience. Let me show you most beautiful scene. Even later on upper deck in evening we got a view of a lifetime. It was a sunset atmosphere after heavy rainfall and small drizzling still there. It made the perfect moment. Here is the gym section. Swimming pool just adds up the beauty of this place even in this atmosphere. This view looks more beautiful than any other sunset I ever seen in my entire life so far. This highway view from here looks so cool and nice fresh environment. 1 hour we spent here on upper deck was the most beautiful 1 hour we spent this season, and we are not going to forget this in near future. Lonavala is very popular for its nightlife, so we decided to go for sightseeing. While sightseeing, we went to Maggie Point Lonavala to get Maggie, and we enjoyed there in car only. Then we went to get our anniversary cake, but later on we found that all cake shops were closed, so we managed to get Baskin and Robbins double scoops, and believe me, it was the worthy alternative to the cake. Then we went back to hotel. In meantime, we haven't recorded anything. After 8 long hours, much needed sleep, we got up, and after refreshment we proceed towards checkout, then decided to go to upper deck to take some photos before we leave the hotel. Okay, we checked out of hotel and now going to Tiger Hills, which is a must visit place in Lonavala. We came here last time on 26 Jan Republic Day ride. This place is so windy as always and easy access to fresh air. Cheese pakoda is a signature dish here. You have to try this. Now we are climbing down to Lonavala. We're gonna get chikki and stuff, and then we'll get halt for lunch and then straight to home. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I see you in my next video very soon. Cheers!
A shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be in the